everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Annette, Purple Paisley Planner. I will be posting new videos every Monday and Thursday. Today, I received the Simply Gilded April 2020 box, and I'm doing an unboxing on this. If this is what you're interested in, then keep watching. I am so excited about this April 2020 Simply Gilded box I got. Let me go ahead and open it. I'm opening this up for the first time. So let's see. There we go. It's a pretty envelope, really gold and pretty. Look, this is really nice. It says First Class, Simply Gilded. See, it's got rose gold with the stars. You deserve only the best. Isn't that nice? I like all that. Here's the side. Nothing on that side. And this one says First Class. Really nice. So let's take a look inside. Okay, so we're going to take a look inside. Wow. Look at all that. And I'm going to put this to the side. Okay. So let's see what this says. It says April 2020. It says First Class. You get a foiled journaling card, designer washi tape, deluxe sticker kit, seals, icons, date dots, B6 stitched binding notebook, engraved rose gold pen, vegan pearl sticker pouch, Sakura micro perm pen, travel scissors, and mystery item. Wow. And so it has here, travel scissors will come in white or black. And look, you get like a little luggage. That is right cute. Look at that. Okay, so taking this out the pouch right here. Isn't this right cute? So you can put it on your purse, your luggage. That's right cute. Okay. And then let's look at this. Look at this. This is really nice. It's got a little heart. Let me get this. There we go. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So it's got areas where you could put dashboards. Oh, look at this. It's got the little pockets there. It's got a postcard of a plane that says Simply Gilded. See that? And then you get these stickers right here. So I'm going to do this one here first. This is a journal book right here. Get it open. I used this pick right here to break through the plastic. There we go. And it's just dot grid pages. See? Dot grid pages. So that's nice. And the next thing is the stickers. So let me go ahead and open the stickers. Okay. These are cute. Look at these. That's nice. And then you get your numbers and your little icon stickers. This one says gratitude, and it has the stickers on here. See that? And then you got your cute heart stickers. You can use these in your planners, traveler's notebook, journals. Then you get your day of the week. And these cute little stickers. I think all these stickers are nice. That one. And then you get these stickers. I feel like I need to go to Paris. I think this is really nice. Look at today, remember, important to do, to buy, to pay. London, Paris, New York. These are just nice first class stickers. Really nice. The next thing is in the zipper pouch right here, which is rose gold. And they have washi. Oh my goodness. You got the washi and then some goodies in here. Let me see. Nothing else is nice. And you can zip it back up. So let's look at what you get. The pen, the micro perm Sakura pen right here. Here's the tip. Really nice. Nice pen. Then you get another pen. Ooh, this is really nice. It's like a rose gold, and it's got an airplane, and it says Simply Gilded on there. See that? It says Simply Gilded with the plane in rose gold. That's really pretty. That's really nice. And then you get these here. She included some scissors. Look, it's a portable scissors you could have in your purse. Look at that. So it's a pair of scissors. I got mine in black. That is really nice. Let me see. Something I could cut. Ooh, it's nice and yeah. It cuts really good. Nice pairs of scissors. And that's really nice. So you get all of that. If you're liking what you're seeing so far, don't forget to click the subscribe and click the bell so you get notifications when I'm on live or when I upload a video. And I upload my videos every Monday and Thursday. And here's the Simply Gilded washi. There we go. So you get all of those Simply Gilded washi. I'm loving this April box a lot. Let's see. I'm gonna open this one. So this one here. See that? That's pretty. And then this one is the world. Let me see. It's hard to see, but you can see that. It's the world. Here's another one, pretty. And then you got the airplane and the little other two washis. I think it's pretty. I'm gonna try. This was really nice, and this is how it looks, the washi. Isn't that nice? So that's the washi, how it looks. So you get all of this. You get all of this, the washi. This was the surprise right here, and that is really nice. You get the stickers, you get the journal, everything, plus this to put everything in. I just loved everything. Everything looks nice. Everything's really pretty. I like the rose gold. Just everything is really nice. And then I like these little scissors too. So, when I did the cards right here, this is how it looks on paper on my card. See? Really nice washi. I think it's really nice. Really nice right there. I need to pick another word instead of saying really nice. Really nice. But look at this sticker. See the foiling? And here's the sticker to this one. Right here. I like Simply Gilded's kits. Her boxes are really nice. I got this stuck on there. Here's this one. Nice. Is this here? Gratitude. I feel like taking a trip, but I think everything's done changed with this COVID and everything. Here's this. And then here's one of the washis. That's one. This one with the airplane. Pretty, huh? This. And my nails look like a hot mess. But I'm not going to get my nails done until, I'm following everything the CDC says. So I'm staying in, doing my own nails. That's cute. See the bows. The bows are really nice. I like the bows. See? So all of that, plus the scissors, which I really like, the pins, I'm jumping, the pins, pretty, and this, you get this here, you get that, and then you get this here to put your stickers and your cards. You could put your cards in here. You got a pocket here to put the rest of your washi. It's all in rose gold. It's like a pewter kind of rose gold color. It's pretty. But you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 pages, plus the pockets right there. And this here is in rose gold. I just think this is just overall just really pretty. So again, this card that tells you everything you get in your box and the mystery item and everything. I think this whole box, this whole kit was really nice. Volume 30, first class. Oops, upside down. Just really nice. The whole packaging, everything was really nice. Really great. So I'm going to be putting everything, I'm trying to do everything with my hands, in the pouch, in the pocket. I like everything. I like the hearts. I like the washi. I like the stickers. I like all the cards. Everything just is great. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the bell so you know when I'm on live or when I upload a video. I was about to sneeze. Thank you for watching. Stay positive. And I love you all. Bye-bye.